Before going away, he wished once more to get answers to his questions. So before departing from there, before going from there, the king wished once more. The king wanted to get answers of all his questions. The hermit was on his knees sowing seeds in the beds that had been dug the day before. So what was hermit doing? The hermit was engaged in sowing the seeds into the same beds which they had dug the previous day. The king went up to the hermit and said, "For the last time I beg you to answer my questions, wise man." The king went to the hermit and requested him to give the answers of all his questions. "You have already been answered," said the hermit, still bending down to the ground and looking up at the king as he stood before him. The hermit replied that the king was already been answered, and the hermit was still bending to the ground, and the king was standing before him. "How I have been answered? What do you mean?" The king was very surprised to know that he had been answered. He wanted to know it very clearly that how he had been answered. "Do you not see?" replied the hermit. "If you had not pitied my weakness yesterday and had not dug these beds for me, you would have gone away." The hermit replied that, "Can't you see? Can't you understand that if you had not pitied over my weakness yesterday and not helped me in digging the beds, you would have gone away before the sunset and your enemy would have attacked you. Then that man would have attacked you and you would have wished you had stayed with me. So the most important time was when you were digging the beds." So the answer to the first question is the most important time is when you were digging the beds. It was the most important time because it only saved your life. And I was the most important man, and to do me good was your most important business. So the answer to the second question is the most important person was me, and the most important thing was to help me, to do me favor in digging the beds. Afterwards, when the man ran to us, the most important time was when you were caring for him. And for the second time, the most important time, the most important time was when you were taking care of that injured person, because you, if you had not dressed his wounds, he would have died without having made peace with you. It was the most important time because it only decided to save his life. If you had not dressed his wounds, he would have died. So he was the most important man, and what you did for him was your most important business. So in the second scenario, the most important man was the injured person, and the most important thing which was done, that you helped him in dressing his wounds. Remember then, there is only one time that is important, and that time is now. So the most important time is now, which decides what is to be done correctly and properly. It is the most important time because it is the only time we have any power to act. So in the present time only, we have power, we have any will to take over any action. Because in the past we can't go back, and in future we can't take action in the present time. The most necessary person is the person you are with at particular moment, for no one knows what will happen in the future and whether we will meet anyone else. So the most important person is the person you are you are with at particular moment, means you are at your present time, because no one knows what will happen in the future, because it is unpredicted. No one knows about the future exactly, and whether we will meet anyone else, and whom will we meet in the future, no one knows. The most important business is to do that person good, because we are sent into this world for that purpose alone. And the most important business should be to help that person we are familiar with, because for helping only, for doing good only, we have been sent by God in this world. So what do we learn? That the most important time is your present time. The most important person is the person you are familiar with at the present time, and the most important business is to help that person. So this prose has been written by Leo Tolstoy. Now it's time to solve the question answers related to this chapter in your rough notebook.